Hi guys, on this video I'm going to tell you which software you can use for connecting your Raspberry Pi without a monitor.
No way! You gotta be kidding! That's not right!
Yes, I said that. Okay, the first one that you need to download is a Raspberry Pi imager. Go to Google, then you type Raspberry Pi imager. Say enter, then you choose this one, Raspberry Pi iOS. Oh, OS. Okay, then you scroll down. Then you click this one, download for Windows. Then you save it. Right. You can open another tab if you want to, but let's go back. Then the second software that you need to download is Party. See Party, you scroll down, then you choose this one. Download Party latest release. Click that one, then you scroll down. For Windows, you choose this one. Then you save. Then you go back, the last one. The last one is VNC. VNC Viewer, not server. There is VNC Viewer, there is VNC server. So you download VNC Viewer. Say VNC Viewer, say enter VNC Viewer like that. So you say enter. We are looking for viewers, VNC. See the server, Raspberry Pi. So you click this one. Viewer. Click this one. So make sure it's download VNC Viewer. So if it's server, you see it will write VNC server. So then you choose that window, 64-bit, then download. Okay, so these are the three software you need to download for you to start setting up a Raspberry Pi. So on this video, I was just showing you which software you can use to set up to connect your Raspberry Pi without a monitor.
No way!
So on the next video, I will show you how to set up a Raspberry Pi using this software step by step. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.